Behind Hushele's natural skincare and haircare range is the dedication of rural women who cultivate the finest raw materials. From sesame and black gram to tulsi, coffee and amla, their expertise ensures the purity and quality of every ingredient we use. By supporting their work, we empower communities while bringing you 100% natural beauty products made with ethically sourced ingredients. Every purchase supports their hard work, ensuring a brighter future for their families and communities. Hushele, nurtured by nature, empowered by women. Visit EcoBurst or order online today.